amigos, today we're going to be making naranjada, which is a very refreshing drink that's perfect for the warmer weather. And now the difference between a naranjada and an orange agua fresca is that the agua fresca uses still water, whereas the naranjada uses sparkling water. And that sparkling water, those bubbles like really hit the spot. It makes the drink so refreshing, especially on a hot summer day. And you can serve this both for children and adults. And you're going to slice up an orange and put that into your pitcher, and you're going to juice whatever your favorite orange variety is. Just make sure it's something nice and sweet and juicy. And I like to leave a little bit of the pulp of the orange juice. You don't have to, you can strain it if you'd like. And you're going to add the orange slices to the pitcher, lots of ice cube, and you're going to pour your freshly squeezed orange juice into the pitcher and slowly pour in the sparkling water. Don't do it like I did because it creates all that extra bubbles. That's it. You're ready to serve in a tall glass with lots of ice cubes, ice cold, and it pairs perfectly with all your favorite Mexican dishes. Give it a try and let me know how you like it in the comments. Have a beautiful day.